Thinking of sharing your PayPal account details? Stop right there. Sharing your login information is a major security risk and can compromise your funds and personal information. Instead, I'm going to show you safe and secure ways to get pay or grant limited access without ever revealing your password. First, let's talk about getting paid. The easiest and safest way to receive money is by using PayPal's Request Money feature. Log into your PayPal account and look for the Request Money or Send and Request option, usually located on the main dashboard. Click on it. Now you'll see a couple of options. Choose the option to create a PayPal link. This creates a personalized link you can share with anyone. Customize your link with a unique username. Then, simply share this link via email, text message, or any other messaging platform. When someone clicks on your PayPal link, they'll be taken directly to a page where they can easily send you money without you ever having to share your account details. Now, what if you need to give someone limited access to your account, like an employee managing invoices? Unfortunately, PayPal has removed most of the delegate access functions from personal accounts. The best option for businesses is to upgrade to a PayPal business account. Business accounts often have features for adding users with specific permissions, allowing them to perform tasks like creating invoices or managing transactions without full access to your funds or personal information. To upgrade, look for the Upgrade to Business Account option in your PayPal settings. The process is straightforward and will unlock more secure ways to manage access. Remember, protecting your PayPal account is crucial. Avoid sharing your login details and use secure methods like PayPal or upgrading to a business account for multi-user access. Stay safe out there.